wealthcoachacademy.com with Louise and Maurice.
People will choose a professional life coach that understands them. Coaching success skill number one is you have to prepare for success, and you have to understand where your prospective client is coming from, right? Because if you are going to build your coaching practice, build your coaching business, you have to meet them where they're at. And they're not going to be going and looking for a professional life coach. They might not even understand what a life coach does and, how you can specifically help them. They don't understand that. What they are doing is starting from a place where they are comfortable, right? They've got some problems that are going on right now, and they are just looking for solutions. So let's look at what they're doing so that you can understand and prepare for success. Let's look at that next. You prepare for success by understanding where your prospective clients are, right? Where they are starting. You see, they might be going on the internet and looking for a life coach, but chances are they are going on the internet and looking for solutions to their problems. And, they just want to be successful. They want to be successful at what they do. So, they might say how to achieve goals. Okay, how to achieve goals at work, in life, how to achieve goals faster. All right, they might say how to succeed and you can see that Google will autofill for you as soon as you start putting in some of these phrases and these words. So how to succeed in my career, in life, job, studies, in my business. Because people do not set out to be a failure. If anything, society has put it in their minds that if you are anybody, you are successful. And as a life coach, you are helping them to achieve their dreams, to achieve their goals. And again, it's not up to you to put into their minds, well, you have to be this way, you have to be that way. You have to meet your client where they are. Now, as they go through your coaching program, they may evolve, and their beliefs and their values and how they see themselves will evolve. But when you are first meeting them, you are meeting them where they are at. And that is, they have a problem and they want a solution for it. And they are on the internet looking for those solutions, right? How to set goals, right? How to set goals in life, how to set goals and stick with them, how to set goals at work. So this is where you meet them, where they are. So let's look at what you do with this information next. With that information, you come from a different place, right? You can attend networking events, charity events, association meetings, any place where professionals hang out. And if your target market isn't specifically professionals, however, they've got a pain or problem that is keeping them from showing up, right, as the person that they want to be, and they are motivated to spend money on a solution that's going to help them achieve their goals, then that would qualify. Remember, this is what it's all about. You can take life coaching and you can take a course and be a certified life coach, but if no one pays you to coach them, then it's kind of useless, isn't it, right? So this is a program very much targeted toward you making money as a life coach. Yes, making a difference, but making money, because people value what they pay for. And as we continue on, you'll be understanding this more and more. So you attend a networking function and you're talking to people and you now understand, hey, you want to achieve goals, I have a step-by-step process that's going to help you do that. Why don't we set up maybe a 10 or 15 minute phone call, and I can share with you just some simple solutions that are going to help you move past maybe some of the blocks that might be stopping you. And then you hand them your business card, or you get their phone number, and you get out their calendars, right? Say, get out your phone, let's do this, right? And you get them all excited and just say, yes, these are the possibilities. I've helped countless clients, and these are the possibilities. And you can be truthful when you're saying that, because as you're going through this course, you're going to be having lots of opportunities where you get to experience coaching, all right? So yeah, you can say that. Yes, I can help you. And they're like, sure, right? It's a free call, 10, 15 minutes. I can spare that, sure. And you set up the time, you've got it in your phone. Well, let us look at coaching success skill number 2 next.